Well, today's job, EP3 Honda Civic in for a map. Well, it's a pretty black one with some mods. As you can see, we got the AEM, cold air. We've also got ourselves a 421 manifold, I believe. See if we can have a look. I can't really see, but I'm assured it's there. Well, good morning, Richard.
Good morning.
This one made 212 on a standard run.
It did indeed.
So I think we'll do all right today on this.
Yeah, I can't see any reason why not. EPs generally respond a lot better than the FNs, you know, in general, don't they?
Yeah. I think people are well aware of that now.
Yeah. So it should. Oh, you don't even turn your laptop on for me.
Oh, let me turn that on for you. Thank Another EP3 in the bag, Richard.
Oh, he's already pressed record, look.
Yeah, I've pressed record, I'm ready.
Oh, you're ready?
We've got so much to do today, man. We better get on with it. This is going to be the shortest video ever. I'm speaking really, really fast so we can get through it. Hurry up. Explain to people what this is. Come on. Stop looking at me. Just get on with it.
What are you doing like that? What are you doing like that for?
Come on.
Well, another EP3.
There you go. Oh, take your time now.
Take my time.
I'm not make a cup of tea, shall I?
I'm not. You're not rushing there.
Right, okay. Another EP3 in the bag, and this one has done pretty well today. It came in and made all right power at 212 brake horsepower. It's done a lot of miles.
275,000, which I don't think is massive on one of these, but it's up there. It's up there.
And it's pretty clean for 175,000.
Pretty clean. 4-to-1 manifold, spoon rep exhaust on it, standard inlet manifold, AEM induction kit. And it's leaving us on 222. It's made 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range, and at 7,000 RPM it's made an additional 20 brake horsepower. But just as that
flow restriction starts, it sort of peters off a little bit.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
I mean, we've seen up to 235, like we said before, on these standard inlet manifolds, so I don't believe that's a problem. And I've seen it on that exhaust system. I believe it's the induction kit. These love a good induction kit. You've really got to step them up to 3.5 inch, really. You know, 2 inch and 3 inches, 2.5 inch, 3 inch induction kits. There's a little bit more. I personally think this car's got 230 in it with a better induction kit, in my opinion, but no, that's not what we've got, so this is what we've done today, so we're at 222.
Really happy with it. Yeah, it sounds awesome. It's dropped some bombs, mate. You enjoyed that.
Yeah, customer's certainly happy, and he'll enjoy his ride home, I'm sure.
I bet he will. Shall we have a look at the graph?
We shall.
Let's do that. Let's have a look at the graph. So as we always say, red line is as it came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, a whopping gain in the mid-range there. We've got 40 brake horsepower. At 7,000 RPM, we're about 20 brake horsepower up. It just peters off at the end at about 7.5 grand.
Yeah, obviously you can see here, we're just closing that gap up. If obviously we had a better induction kit, we might have carried on. But yeah, got to be happy with that.
Yeah, we finish on 222, which is 193 at the wheel. So well done. Another fantastic Honda mapped. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. I hope today is the day that I've earned your subscription, so if you want to like and subscribe and all that jazz, please be my guest. If you've got any questions, drop them on the comments below. We try and answer every question we can, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.